Hello dear students, welcome to your literature in English class. We are reading chapter A Handful of Salt. This is video 4. Before we start reading, let's do some word meanings through pictures. First word is nodding. Nodding means shaking your head to say yes or to say no. Next word is puddle. Puddle means small pool of water. You can find such puddles on roads which are filled with rainwater. Next is scramble down, which means coming down. For example, coming down from a tree. Dear students, we are going to read from page number 67, second paragraph, from by now the boys were hanging, from there up to vegetables and chapatis. You will read along with me, but before we start reading, let's do some word meanings. Peered means to look for something. Adoration means deep love and respect. Delight means charm or great pleasure. Nodding means lower and raise one's head slightly. And puddles means a small pool of liquid, especially of rainwater on the ground. So let's start reading. By now the boys were hanging out of the tree. Gandhiji kept coming closer, and then he was right below the tree. He peered up at the two young faces who were looking down with such adoration and smile. So now the boys are hanging from the tree, and Gandhiji is very near to them. He was just under the tree, and Gandhiji looked at the two young faces, means he looked at the boys and who were looking down at him, and the boys were looking down at him with much love and respect, means with adoration, and they smiled. Dhani looked at Gokul, and in a flash the boys scrambled down from the tree and ran to join the crowd of people walking with him. So Dhani looked at Gokul, and in a flash means quickly the boys scrambled down. They came down from the tree and they ran so that they could join other people who were walking. They forgot about what their parents would say. They did not worry about what they would eat or how they would get back. Half the village was going anyway. Bapu had called them. How could they say no? So the boys forget what their parents would say to them, that they are not coming home, they are going with Bapu instead. So they forget about what they would eat, and they also forget how they would come back. And they were not bothering about this because half the village was going anyway with Bapuji. And why wouldn't they go? Why the village people wouldn't go with Bapuji? Because Bapuji had called them, so the people couldn't say no to Bapuji. Means people have much respect for Bapuji that they must go with them. So they walked. It seemed as if the whole of India was walking with them. There were also the white-skinned British with metal boxes that they held to their eyes and clicked. A man told them that these boxes took pictures, and Gokul realized with delight that his picture had been taken too. So people were walking. It was looking like the whole India was walking with Gandhiji, and they were white-skinned British also. White-skinned British people were also there. They had metal boxes. Metal box means the camera. You can see in the picture given on your book. So the boys have heard that these boxes, these metal boxes, took pictures of the people, and Gokul realized that his picture also has been taken by that camera. All the while, the white river kept getting longer and longer. Bapu, chatting and smiling, waving and nodding, marched on. They went through villages where the road was covered with leaves and flowers, over mud puddles and stony tracks. So the White River kept getting longer and longer. Dear students, White River word has been used many times. It means the people who were walking with Gandhiji. So that river kept getting longer and longer means the people were joining Bapuji in large number. Bapu was chatting and smiling. He was talking with people. He was smiling. He was waving at people. He was nodding at people, and he marched on. Means he continued with his walk. They went through villages. They visited so many villages where the roads were covered with the leaves and flowers, and there were mud puddles, and the tracks were stony tracks. They soon stopped to rest for the hottest part of the afternoon. Now there was afternoon, and they stopped somewhere for taking rest. The village women brought food for everyone, vegetable and chapatis. So now it was the time for having lunch, and the women from the village, they brought a vegetable and chapatis for the people to eat.